show you how I have my photo and video in the picture. This tutorial is for Mac. So here we go. The first thing I'm going to do is I am going to use my little search tool up here, and I'm going to look up Quicktime Player. You can see it automatically pops up, and all I'm going to do is double click on that Quicktime Player. Now you can see I already have a movie recording up. So first thing I do is I go to File and I click New Movie Recording. Okay, it's right here. And when I do that, it pops up with what you see on my screen right now. I have this thing, it tells me, hey, I have a voice bubble playing, I'm recording, I have sound, all that good things. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this window. So I just go to the top left here until I get that little arrow, and I'm just going to make it as small as it goes. So now my face is all small. I can drag this around, put it wherever on my screen that I want. And at this point, it depends. Do I want to split screen it, or am I okay with having it in the corner? So in this case, I'm okay with having it in the corner right now. So what I did was I went up here to File again, and I'm still in QuickTime Player, and I added a new screen recording. So now it's recording my screen. You know that it's recording the screen because in the top here it has this little stop sign. And if that is here where my mouse is currently hovering right up at the top, you know that your screen's actually being recorded at that point in time. It has a recording going on. Now, how do I do split screen with this? Well, there's a couple ways. The first thing that I can do is I can go over here to the side. Let's say I wanted to show a Word document here. I can just open up this Word document, and it's going to have my picture still hovering in the corner. So here's my new Word document that I'm opening up. All I'm going to do is I am going to modify this setup, and I'm just going to scoot it over a little bit and put my picture right where I want it to be, and bam, now I have two pictures here. I could easily make this bigger, I can expand it, do whatever I want. All I have to do is make sure that I don't put anything in this space here so that you can still see my face. And that is if I want my face in the picture at all, which not always is a thing. Now the other way that I do this is by using the enlargement feature here. So you know how it has this towel window? So it'll towel it to either side of the screen. You can also put it in full screen. There's a shortcut command where if you take 4 fingers and you just swipe up on your keypad, it lets you see all the things that are currently happening. And you can see I have another tab open with Firefox. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take this movie recording that I have sitting here, and I'm going to drag it so that it is in that Firefox area. So I'm just going to click and drag. When I drag it up here, I could make it its own window, but in this case, I'm going to add it to my Firefox program. And now when I go to Firefox, you can see I have my video on the right-hand side, and on the left over here, I have my screen that I can interact with, do whatever I want with. So in this case, maybe I want to go to one of the groups or courses I'm in. I have the 0 to Hero group I'm going to grab real quick. There's not much here. But I could interact with this however I wanted to. I don't have to do anything special. And it still has the video and the screen recording at the same time. And so that's all you have to do to get that split screen. Now to stop the video, all you're going to do is go up to the top and you're going to click that stop button. So that's all there is to this. Super simple, super easy. Record whatever you need. Have a great day, guys.